night, chasing shadows through the endless night, with the rhythm that can set the soul alight. It's a bebop night, a delight in sight. Through smoky bars and alleyways we weave, in this city where the heart can't deceive. Every note a whisper, a tune to believe. In a bebop night we find reprieve. We're swinging high, we're swinging low, to the beat of a world that moves just so. Chasing dreams in a jazzy glow. It's a bebop night, let the music flow. Sparks fly as the saxophones collide, trumpets blare and the piano glides, with brass that makes the night feel so alive. In a bebop world we thrive and strive. As the saxophones collide, trumpets blare and the piano glides, with brass that makes the night feel so alive. In a bebop world we thrive and strive. Moonlight dances on the city streets, echoes the rhythm of our secret beats. Lost in the groove where past and future meet, in a bebop tune our hearts repeat. As the dawn creeps in we won't relent, each note a memory, each track a scent of nights spent swaying, lost in the event. In a bebop dream